Welcome back. Well, we'll start getting some of the market cues and reactions in about 5 minutes. We'll see what the pre-open is indicating. Because till now, what the anticipation is that we'll probably start about 80 points lower as the market digests the overnight developments. We have our colleague Parikshit now joining, and there we go. Okay, the implied open has actually reduced that cut. It was about 88 20 minutes ago, and now it's about a 60-point drop. That's the implied open. We have Parikshit joining in. Parikshit, what a night. But lots happening on ground today. There are the defense safety drills that are ongoing. I believe there's an army briefing as well. Just run us through what we can expect over the next couple of hours, perhaps.
Well, it seems that India was planning for this over the last few days. Just yesterday, a notice to airmen was issued about restrictions on airspace use in areas in Rajasthan and along the western border with Pakistan. So all these airports will see restricted operations because the Indian Air Force is carrying out high-intensity drills on the 7th and 8th of May. Having said that, we are also looking at mock drills all around the country. And this is happening because India is testing its civil defense preparedness for the first time since 1971. And we're looking at drills whereby air raid sirens will go off, civilian control rooms will be tested, civil defense teams will be assessed for their ability to communicate via hotlines with the Indian Air Force as well. We're looking at training for students and civilians in different parts of the country, what should happen in case there is a need for evacuation, where to take shelter. So all these training mechanisms will be done to make people aware of national security needs during this hour. Why is this all being done? The Indian Army and the Indian government statement on the retaliatory strike was very clear. We have carried out a non-escalatory strike on Pakistani terror groups only. There were 9 targeted strikes, and this was not to attack any economic installation, vital installation, army or civilian installation in Pakistan, but only terror gangs which have been perpetrating violence against India and were involved in the Pahalgam attack. So our response has been very measured, and that's the likely tone that the Indian forces and the Ministry of External Affairs will take in that press conference at 10 a.m. this morning. But at the same time, when you carry out a strike of this magnitude, which is bigger than Balakot, what it means is that there could be an escalation and Pakistan may try and take things a few notches higher. So one cannot rule out the possibility of a wider escalation, and that's why these civil defense mock drills are taking place all across the country at different timings. So this will take place at schools, this will take place in civilian areas, near certain religious places as well. So it's pretty comprehensive, and this is not the last of it. We're possibly going to see more such mock drills over the next few weeks, and India is going to continue taking measures to economically and diplomatically isolate Pakistan as well.
All right, Parikshit, thank you so much for that. And might I add, the color that you and I are both in today, I don't know if it's a coincidence or not, but it's the color of Sindoor. So in solidarity, we stand. Thank you so much for the update.